Chapter 1, Lesson 1. Essential question is, how does the position of a digit in a number relate to its value? Let's have a look at example 1. We are working with the number 597,848. We have to use the place value chart to put this number in the correct place. Where do we start? Do we start at the 1 or do we start on the right side at the 8? We start always on the right side. So let's start on the right side. The 8 we put under the 1s. That is 40. So there is 4 10s. That is 8 hundreds. 7 thousands. Can you see we are starting with a new period? These were all the one period, so it's 100, tens and ones. But now we're going into the thousands, so the ones will be 1,000 or 7,000. This is, there's 9 10,000s. There are 5 100,000s. Then we have another comma. Now we're going into the million period. We have 9 millions. We have 4 10s, so 4 10 millions. And we have 100 million. To write it in the expanded form, this is how we do it. We look at the 100 million. How many 100 millions do we have? We have only one, so we write 1 times 100 million equals 100 million. How many 10 millions do we have? We have 4, so we write it 4 times 10 million is 40 million. How many millions do we have? We have 9 millions. 9 times 1 million equals 9 million. Then we go to the 1,000 period. We have 100,000s. How many 100,000s do we have? We have 5. 5 times 100,000 equals to 500, remember the comma, 1,000, 500,000. How many 10,000s do we have? We have 9, so that's a 90,000. How many thousands do we have? We have 7. 7 times 1,000 is 7,000. Right, now we're going to the 100, the 10s, and the 1s. We have 800. 8 times 100 is 800. We have 4 times 10, that gives me 40. And 8 times 1 is 80. Let's have a look at example 2. We are working with 5,500,000. We have to put it in the place value chart. Where do we start, at the 5 or the 0? Always with the ones on the right hand side. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros, another 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, and then we have a 5, and a 5 for the millions. So let's read this number. 5,500,000. So write the number in word form. Let's see. 5 million. $500,000. There you go. 5,500,000. Write the number in expanded form. Very easy. 5 times, what is it again? What is that 5? Yes, 5 times 1 million. Don't forget to put your commas. And we have plus another 5 times, what is that one again? 500,000. So times 1. $100,000. Let's see if you understand. You practice it and see if you understand. This 9. What is the value of the 9? We start at the back. We say these are ones. This is the tens. So we put the 9 for the 9, and this one we will make a 0. So it is 90. Let's have a look at this one. We have a 9, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, comma, 2, 3, 4, because it's 90,000. Circle the digit in the 10,000 place. We start at the back. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now you're going to try on your own. First, this number 6. What is the value of that 6? It is 6, 0, 0. 0, 0. So the value is 600. You try this one and this one. Write each number in word form and expanded form. So write this first in words and then expanded form. The same with this one. 5,901,452. This one is 309,099,990. Write that in word form and then expanded form. Here I give you the word form. You have to give me the standard form and the expanded form. Let's see. 83 million. So you're going to give me the number 83 million. 23,000. So there's no 100,000. You put a 0 and then 23. You put a 0 and a 23,000, another comma, 7. So there's no 100, there's no tens, and you put a 7. Now, write the expanded form. You're going to say 8 times 1 million. No, 10 million. 10 million. Plus 3 million. 3 times 1 million. Plus 2 times 10,000. Plus 3 times 1,000. Plus 7 times 1. Complete this one. Complete it. Then you write this one. This one is 304,800,400. Write the number and then the expanded form. Let's look at the homework that you have to do for me. We are working with 12,498,750. This is what it looks like when we put it in the place value chart. We write the number in word form and then we write it in expanded form. Now it is your turn to try. First, what is the value of the highlighted digit? So I have a look at the 8. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So the value is 80,000. You try this one and the 3. Write 103,727,495 in word form first and then expanded form. Try your best and then we will have a look at it tomorrow in class. Enjoy.